Hi gang! In this video, we're going to recover a Google Sheet by restoring a previous version. This can be a huge time saver, maybe even a job saver, in the event that something goes wrong with one of your files and you need to backtrack. Here we have a donation spreadsheet. Now let's say that for some reason, all of our data disappears. Technically, we can undo this right now, but pretend we've already closed out of the file and undoing is no longer an option. No worries, we'll just restore a previous version. In the menu bar, click File, find Version History, and then click See Version History. The Version History window opens. You can see on my right that Google Sheets has logged different times when I've updated this file. My current version at the top is obviously not right, so I'm going to look at the most recent earlier version. The version that's logged here is the one from April 25th, and it has all of my data. So rather than keep my garbage file, I'm going to restore this version. Now, Google is asking if I'm sure about this, since restoring this version will overwrite the current version. I'm definitely sure this time. Now we're back in the original file, but with the older version restored. But wait, let's go back to that version history again. One of the other cool things you can do is name your versions. In this case, I want to note that my empty version was an error. I'll click on these little dots and click Name this version. I'll enter a name just as a reminder to myself and others about what happened with this version. And there you have it. That's how you use version history to restore Google Sheets files. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for even more tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel.